Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to replace the blower motor resistor on this 2002 GMC Sierra. This procedure is the same for pretty much any GMC or Chevy truck and SUV with this body style with the manual air conditioning controls. You'll need two sockets, a 7mm and a 732 standard size socket, and a ratchet and an extension. Okay, so a common problem in these trucks, you can see here that my system is on, but I only get fan on the 4 and 5 positions. On the passenger side, there are 4 7mm bolts to remove. One there, one in there. There's one up in that hole right there, can't really video it. And then over here, closer to the gas pedal, there is one right there. And once you remove those bolts, just reach in, kind of pull it down and out of the way. Just put your thumb up in there and disconnect your harness. And all the harness is a little tab right here that you need to pull back. This tab right here. So that's up in there. Pull that back and then down. Okay, now you're going to remove 4 bolts. You're going to remove the 2 here that hold the resistor in, and then you're going to remove 2 that hold the this fan cover on. Here's one here, and then there's one opposite that I can't really film. Okay, once you have this cover loose, what you're going to fight to do is get a finger in there to press on the tab. So this is what locks in there. So basically you have to reach in there and press right on this to unlock it and then pull it out. So that's what I'm trying to do there. Okay. And maybe if you have smaller fingers you won't need to loosen this up, but I did. So I'm actually going to bolt this back up. Okay, and we can take this out now. Okay, so here's my old resistor out. Okay, here's the new resistor from 1A Auto. You can see it's pretty much the same. It's gonna all go in there the same. The resistor itself is a little different from the circuit board, but it will go right up in there. Okay, so I have those snug. So now I'm going to put this up in there and pretty much by feel reconnect it. It's actually not too difficult. Okay, and now I'll reconnect my harness. Okay. And just a quick note here, I did have to turn that connector around. Just the resistor from 1A Auto was just turned 180 degrees, so you just kind of flipped it around and it plugged right in.
Turn the key on. Oh, and you can hear it already working on 3. So you can hear it working on 2. 1. So now I have all 5 speeds. So now we'll just put this bolt up in here. Which is probably the most difficult part of the operation. Tighten that up. Okay, and the final part is to put your cover back in place. You want to push it up in there. You push it kind of against the firewall first, and I'm sorry about shaking around a little bit here. Just trying to film with one hand and push it up in there with the other. Push the front of it up and in first, and then make sure you have everything lined up. Okay, and as you can see here, there's the passenger side outlet holes. Make sure those are all lined up, and then start your end bolt here, and then I'd recommend starting the one over near the driver's side. Once you have those lined up, then the other 2 middle ones go in pretty easily. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.